Welcome back to another video from Power BI AI Agent. In this video, we're comparing Gemini 2.5 with Gemini 3 and evaluating both speed and analytical accuracy. On the left, you can see a line chart showing the total quantity sold in France by year. We'll ask Gemini the following question. Which year has the highest total quantity sold in France? And which product category was the top seller by quantity in that year? Let's start with Gemini 2.5. Gemini 2.5 responds very quickly and correctly identifies 2022 as the year with the highest total quantity sold, at just under 49,000 units. It also states that movie DVD was the top-selling product category for that year. In addition, it provides a well-formatted table summarizing total quantities by year, which makes the result easy to validate at a glance. From the table, we can clearly see that 2022 is at the top. However, let's verify the top-selling product to ensure accuracy. We switch to a table view, add the product category, and then filter the data to 2022. Here, we notice an important issue. When looking at sub-product level, the top-selling item appears to be phones, not movie DVDs. This indicates a mismatch caused by comparing categories versus subcategories. At the category level, movie DVD is correct, but at the subproduct level, phones dominate. This distinction is critical and highlights how easily errors can occur if the analytical scope isn't clearly defined. Now let's repeat the same question using Gemini 3 with higher reasoning enabled. Gemini 3 also correctly identifies 2022 as the year with the highest total quantity sold. It again lists movie DVD as the top-selling product category, which is consistent when we remain at the category level. The earlier confusion was due to switching from category to subcategory during validation, not an error in Gemini's reasoning. Compared to Gemini 2.5, Gemini 3 is noticeably more concise. While it doesn't produce a visually polished table, it does provide additional analytical value by generating a chart of the top 10 products in France by quantity for 2022, which is a very useful insight for exploratory analysis. In summary, both models produced correct results when the analytical context was consistent. Gemini 2.5 was faster and more verbose, with cleaner tabular output. Gemini 3 was more concise and added value through visual insights, such as ranking the top products. Overall, both performed well and results were precise. Thanks for watching and enjoy using PBI AI Agent.